Have you ever thought about what could be beyond our universe? What if there are multiple universes, each with its own set of physical laws and conditions? This is the idea of the multiverse. The multiverse theory suggests that there may be many different universes or realities, each with its own unique set of physical laws, constants, and conditions. According to this theory, these universes exist alongside our own and may even interact with it in various ways. There are several different types of multiverse proposed by physicists and cosmologists, including the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, the eternal inflation theory, and the brane theory. While the concept of the multiverse is fascinating, it is currently difficult to test or prove its existence. However, the idea continues to captivate scientists and the public alike, sparking new ideas and theories about the nature of our universe and beyond. The idea of the multiverse challenges our understanding of the universe and raises questions about the existence of intelligent life and the ultimate fate of our universe. If the multiverse exists, could there be multiple versions of ourselves? Could we one day explore other universes? The multiverse is a fascinating concept that invites us to expand our minds and explore the unknown. Who knows what secrets the universe holds beyond our own?